What if I told you the best-selling car in the world just got even better? Or did Tesla actually mess it up? Surprise! We're diving into the all-new Tesla Model Y. And today, we're answering the big question: does it still deserve its crown as the world's best-selling car? From its sleek design to its game-changing upgrades, we'll break down everything you need to know. Plus, we'll grill the man behind the magic to see how Tesla has upped its game. Let's find out if this is evolution or revolution. First up, the new Model Y looks sharper than ever. It features slim headlights, a full-width light bar, and a redesigned front bumper with air curtain vents for better aerodynamics. The rear gets a fresh update too, with a more practical bumper design that reduces repair costs. And don't miss the world's largest indirect rear light, sleek and futuristic. But does it still scream Tesla? Some say it's blending in with other electric SUVs, but there's no denying it's a head-turner. Now, let's talk about performance. The Model Y has always been fast, but it's now quieter and smoother than ever. Tesla has completely redesigned the suspension, added more sound deadening, and even improved the tires for a plush ride. The result? A car that's more mature, more refined, and perfect for families. It's still quick off the line, but the focus is now on comfort and predictability. Whether you're cruising or cornering, the Model Y feels more premium than ever. Inside, the Model Y gets subtle but meaningful upgrades. The materials are nicer, the ambient lighting adds a touch of luxury, and the 15-inch touchscreen remains crisp and responsive. Heated and ventilated seats come standard, and rear passengers get their own 8-inch screen for entertainment. Plus, the connectivity and wireless charging are top-notch. It's not a complete overhaul, but every detail feels more polished and user-friendly. Practicality? The Model Y delivers. The boot is slightly smaller, but you won't notice in real-world use. The front is spacious, and the rear seats now fold electrically. Tesla has also added a new Bluetooth feature for rear passengers, so your kids can zone out with their headphones while you enjoy the drive. And with improved range and faster charging, the Model Y is more efficient than ever. We sat down with Tom, the engineer behind the Model Y, to understand the challenges of improving the world's best-selling car. It's like changing the wheels while the car is moving, he said. The focus was on balancing comfort with Tesla's signature agility. From redesigned tires to a stiffer body and smarter suspension, every detail was optimized to make the Model Y a better family SUV without losing its edge. So, does the new Model Y deserve its crown? Absolutely. It's quieter, smoother, and more refined than ever, making it the ultimate electric family SUV. But with competitors closing in, Tesla can't afford to rest on its laurels. This is evolution, not revolution. And next time, Tesla might need to think bigger. For now, though, the Model Y remains the king of the electric hill. That's it for our deep dive into the new Tesla Model Y. What do you think? Has Tesla done enough to stay ahead of the pack? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more cutting-edge car reviews. See you next time.